In this video I'm going to show you how to find and save effects on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok application and then hit on that big plus sign. Now here tap right there at effects, and right here you can look for different effects. You can tap on effect and here immediately on the screen you can check how it looks like. You can switch between different effects and let's say I like that effect, I want to save it and use it in my videos. And in that case all I have to do is hit right there at that bookmark icon. I'll just tap on that. Icon changed color to red, and in the same way I can bookmark other effects. And now if I want to find them fast, all I have to do is hit right there at bookmark icon where I can find all bookmarked effects. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.